Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to create a new world in Icarus. Just to begin from in-game, to simply follow my lead. Press escape and then go to the character selection. That would be the easiest way to get back. Or if you can, extract back with your loot through the capsule. Then simply go back, play, I see a problem. Select a character, then you will be put it into the space station, home tab, whatever. Here you can create a new prospect, new open world. Load existing ones, join the online multiplayer session, or resume your current playthrough. Create a new world. Here you can choose an open world, a mission, or an outpost. I'll go with an outpost, choose a world. I will go back to the open world, although because those all have different menus for them. Open world, choose. For me it is only Olympus, but if you bought the expansions, you should have Stix and Prometheus available. Create new open world, set the difficulty, enter name, and then if you want to, you can set the arachnophobia mode right here, and then claim the prospect. As you can see, you can take some cargo with you to the dropship, and after you're done, simply confirm the loadout. Now you can select a drop zone. Confier is the recommended one for this, but you have this one, Riverlands, Desert, Arctic and Canyons. I'll drop into Confier. Set the lobby to Steam friends only, private. I'll go with private. And wait for the game to load. As you can see, the game has loaded, and I am in the escape pod, currently hurtling towards the earth. I will extract and go back to the station to showcase you the other two world types, the missions and the base building. Select a character, go back to the new, I'll go with Outpost. With mission on Olympus, select the one for you. Here is the mission tree. I'll go with the first one, Beachhead. Choose the difficulty. I will go with normal. You can choose the custom world settings. Enable hardcore for more rewards. And after that, claim the prospect. Confirm loadouts, and after that you'll be loaded to the map screen. I think, at least that's what I think. We'll see together. Wait a bit for the loading to finish. Here we are. The mission details are displayed on the left, as you can see. I'll go back to the station. Confirm. The last world type are the outposts. You can build risk-free in a small persistent map. calm weather, fewer enemies and regenerating resources, but an XP reduction. Here you can choose the biome type for you. I'll go with Outpost. Create a new outpost, choose the difficulty. I'll go with easy. You can set the arachnophobia mode, of course. Set the name. And claim the prospect. Confirm loadout. Set the invite type. Wait for the loading to finish. And that's all. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment, subscribe.